Keith, did you have a good Christmas?
Christmas was lively, live sweet,
What was the best part about Christmas you liked?
family, Christmas party,
Did you go to any Christmas parties?
Christmas Day, Christmas party. I didn't get to go.
Didn't go to no Christmas?
I think it was in a garden.
Did you like New Year?
New Year, I went straight to bed. I didn't want to stay up as the New Year unfolds. I went straight to bed. 11, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, let's not fool you.
What's your plans for this year? What do you hope to achieve?
This year, I'm thinking about hip hop. We give out crossing a new river, crossing a new sea, crossing the ocean, flying across the ocean, boarding a cruise ship, going on holidays in the south, especially when it's sunny, especially soon Valentine's Day. It's gonna be exceptional. Days are gonna kick in sometime. It's gonna get dark, it's gonna get bright. There's gonna be sunrise, there's gonna be sunset. The beach is gonna be nice. And of course the snow. It's still winter, but I'm looking forward to spring. One second, let's say, I gotta let you know. 50 states here in my mind, right? Let me break it down. Again, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Chip. Dig that? Dig that what? So, like I said, now I've got Broadway, Brooklyn, Chelsea, Ellis Island, Greenwich Village, Ground Zero, Harlem, Hudson River, Lincoln Tunnel, Long Island, Manhattan, Midtown, New Jersey, Queens, Rochester, Roosevelt Island, Soho, Staten Island, the Bronx, Wall Street, Yonkers, and other states, other boroughs in New York, New York
What
State.
about Coney Island? That's in New York, yeah.
Coney Island, Coney Island
Yeah.
is in New York,
I
right?
think they live on near New Jersey.
It's set where they host the baseball. Do they have a baseball team?
I think so, but it's like a fair. It's not the Warriors. It's the Warriors.
Oh, that Warrior film.
Yeah.
Never seen it? Is that the guys who said, Warrior, let's go.
Yeah, the glass.
And they keep on saying, come on to play
That's
it.
it, yeah.
You need to get me that film. Have you got anything on TV that you
That's the little Warriors on
do you
there.
have Amazon? Do you have something that you keep a collection of films on online? YouTube, Steam, Microsoft Steam, Amazon Plus, Apple TV, Netflix, your own Netflix.
I got Netflix, Amazon, and Prime. So I got
Prime is one.
and also
Prime
got
Video, yeah.
Paramount Plus and Disney.
So which one do you normally
Appleton.
Temperature films. I've watched nothing, no film this year. I did watch it. And actually, I wasn't watching it. I was watching 24 hours of police custody. It was all in this movie. Conspiracy to murder. That's what I was watching.
What?
On the roof.
Yeah, 5